All right, so here's two pieces of leather that have basically been tanned using the same process. This one looks darker now because this one's been cased with water, and this one's still dry. So I have just kind of a simple tool here with kind of a little flower design in the tip of it. And I'm going to show you the difference of what it looks like if you do it on cased leather versus leather that hasn't been cased that's still dry. Actually, I'll just put a little bit more kind of moisture on this one here. So again, the goal is to have kind of a wet core, but still, somewhat dry on the outside. Okay, let that soak in. So I have my tool here, and I'm just going to do a single strike kind of impression, about here. Okay, and it didn't impress that great. Maybe I could hit a little bit harder. Let's see. Let me maybe try one here. Try hitting it a little bit harder. Okay, so you can kind of see it's made an impression here. If I do it on the dry leather, it really doesn't make much of an impression. Okay. Now, with these single strike tools, a lot of times, I guess if I just kind of sit here and really wail on it, I can get an impression, but this isn't really proper leather tooling technique. You want to be able to kind of have nice cased, supple leather that's kind of moist on the inside, where you don't really have to bully it into taking that impression, right? So I've kind of just put some more moisture on this. We'll kind of let it soak in a bit here. There it goes. You can kind of see it disappearing from the surface of the leather. So here we'll try doing another impression here. Just kind of and you see it took that impression a lot easier with one strike than this one, which I had to hit it like 5 or 6 times really hard. Okay, so that's the difference between working with cased leather and dry leather.